We're so cool in our sunglasses. Good morning from Busch Gardens Williamsburg. I'm gonna get run over by a car. This is the last park of our vacation. Try not to think about that. But we are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're obviously here to ride Big Bad Wolf. It is Memorial Day weekend. It is Sunday, so we fully anticipate the park to be absolutely packed. It's supposed to be like a high in the 70s, so there's gonna be a million people here today, but you know. Here we go. Awesome. A million other people. We found it. Every ride here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg is slightly different when it comes to parent swapping. So, Big Bad Wolf, we told the guy at the entrance that we were parent swapping. He gave Derek a card, a parent swapping card. He said that Derek walks through the regular queue, will ride, come down off of the exit, hand me the card, and then I walk through the quick queue. They do have a grand total of 3 umbrellas with a few benches over here for people who are waiting at the exit, which is an improvement because over at Pantheon they have a 0 shade. 0. So at least there's like 3 little specks of shade over here by Big Bad Wolf. I think every single person that we were waiting with has made their way over here. Oh, it's a big crowd. So one of the main problems with this style of roller coaster is dispatches are almost always excruciatingly slow because typically they only have 1 train. Big Bad Wolf has 2 trains on the track, so dispatches are actually rolling really quickly. So shout out to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, the park, and the team working this ride because they're doing an amazing job. They're sending trains about every 80 to 90 seconds. So for this style of coaster, that's really good.
The ride should resume shortly, and we apologize for the delay.
Never mind. Take back what I said about amazing dispatches and the ride running smooth. There goes maintenance.
The ride is about to restart.
Are you gonna ride? Why not? You're tall enough. So, fun fact, the original Big Bad Wolf here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg is one of the very few defunct credits that I have that Derek does not have. So I rode Big Bad Wolf. I was probably between the ages of 8 and 10 when I was here with my parents, and he never got a chance to ride it. So point for me. We're building an intricate something over here. Keep him busy. And here they come. Well,
roller coaster in Virginia. It's fine.
Did you like it?
Coaster.
Oh, she didn't like it.
A bundle of joy.
Yes, I see that. All right, Big Bad Wolf. How was it? What you think?
It was boring.
It was boring. It is the true definition of a family coaster, but cute. It's nice that you go through the little town just like the original Big Bad Wolf did. Nice little element there. It's super smooth. Way smoother than this version that's in Busch Gardens Tampa, Phoenix Rising, which we rode just 2 days ago. So this is definitely the better version. It's a little bit longer, so it feels a little more complete. This is a great ride. Unfortunately, the line is very long. It's like a 90-minute wait easily, at least. So probably won't get back on that today, but that's okay. I filmed a POV for Derek, so only have one request when we come to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and that is I want to eat in the Festhaus and I want some chocolate cake. I never get dessert any other park or any other time, but I want my chocolate cake. So we're gonna grab it for lunch before this place gets packed out the wazoo later on today. I'm so full, but man, is it nice to come out of a restaurant and not feel like you're instantly being boiled alive.
I would like that.
It is like so beautiful. But after being in Florida and it being like the high 90s, like, whew, it is really nice here today. You see what you're drawing? That's pretty good. 2 thumbs up. Ooh, it's called roller coaster hair. Rode Pantheon. It was so good to finally get back on that ride. I feel like it's been forever since we have ridden Pantheon. The thing is running great today. It's like a little, like a baby Top Thrill 2 and a baby Flash. What did she give you? She gave you a sticker. That was so cool. You talked to her for a long time. Do you feel very inspired now?
The lady on the fashion is inappropriate.
Inappropriate. Why?
Doesn't she have fun?
Turtles!
She
That turtle has claws. Hey, look, he's down there with that turtle. Hi, turtle. Oh, cute! He's standing in his drinking bucket. Silly cow.
You're the stinky cow.
No, he is.
want to get ice cream, or do you want to go to Captain Resort? That's buffet cheaper.
Well, there's the reason that today was a blackout day for people with basic memberships. We expected a big crowd, and there's a big crowd in there. Holy smokes. And the amount of people still pouring in. Whew. But we did what we came for. We came in, we rode Big Bad Wolf's Revenge successfully. Great day. See you later, Busch Gardens Williamsburg.
Captain's Heart tickets.
Okay. Is it good? How is it?